All right, welcome back everybody. It's Julian Crypto. It's 6 a.m. in the morning. Here we are. Fed is increasing interest rates, and because of that, the markets are growing. The Bitcoin price is going up, and we will discuss today how the markets are reacting to interest rates hiking. Also, we will talk about Brazil. Brazil is thinking about investing in Bitcoin. Also, University of Tokyo is investing in Metaverse. Of course, you are welcome to use our tools, Max Data app, how the on-chain data metrics are reacting to this. And here we are. Let's start it. Let's talk about Federal Reserve. So Fed is hiking interest rates by 75 basis points. We talk about two possible scenarios. First scenario was increasing rates only by 75 basis points, and second scenario was increasing rates by 100 basis points. And the Fed, because of that, it raised 75 basis points. And here was meeting, as you can see, yesterday at 8 p.m. The Bitcoin price went up more than 6%, almost 7% in 1.5 hours. And right now is more, it's also almost 7% in plus. All right, and how the markets reacted in the past to such events. Let's look at this chart. Here we are. Look at 2015, 2016, and 2018. Fed was hiking interest rates continuously, but the markets were growing, were still growing. But look at the difference between those times and right now. Right now, this hiking rates is much, much more dynamic. And in the past, we had such events before. We had such events, for example, in 79, the markets just after such hiking rates went down. In 78, markets went down. In 83, markets went down. So basically, few times before Fed was hiking interest rates such aggressively, the markets started to going down. How it will be this time? Of course, I don't know. We will see. But it looks just like that. But how you will react right now to such event? Are you bullish right now? Are you thinking that the Bitcoin will continue to go to rise maybe to 27, maybe to $28,000, or are you bearish? In my opinion, Bitcoin might go higher, might go even up to 28, maybe even 20, maybe even $30,000, maybe even $33,000, something like this. So maybe even somewhere here, or maybe even $37,000. But in my opinion, it will be only a dead cat bounce. So somewhere here we might go next couple of weeks, next couple of months. But then when the markets will be wholly green and everybody will be waiting for the next cycle, next peak, then the bears will raise and again raise interest rates, the Mongols will come and everything will dump the Bitcoin price again. Maybe Tether will fall. So so in my opinion, it may looks like this. Of course, it's not a financial advice. I'm waiting for your response. And the Brazil is thinking about investing in Bitcoin, especially as you have to know that Brazil, which has tax breaks for Bitcoin miners, so the Secretary of Brazil and Finances and Planning commented on the city's plans to allocate a percentage of treasury to Bitcoin investment. and quote, become the capital of innovation. The Rio de Janeiro has to become the capital of innovation. Another piece of news is from Tokyo. The University of Tokyo will offer a series of engineering courses using metaverse technology. Scheduled to be offering later this year, will introduce students to engineering subjects and combine that knowledge with ability to deal with metaverse-based worlds. Nice. In long term, it's bullish, of course. Look at this chart. Flow of stablecoins. Many times stablecoins are flowing to derivatives. It's a bullish sign for Bitcoin. Is it bullish sign for Bitcoin? Again, I don't know. The past events doesn't mean that if it was in the past, it will be in the future. But maybe, who knows? Who knows? As you can see, big flows of stablecoins, and maybe this time will be similar. All right, and for today, that's everything. So first of all, we have this Fed, which hike interest rates only 75 basis points, and because of that, markets are growing. Are you bullish? Are you bearish right now? Tell me in the comments, and see you, as always, see you tomorrow. Bye bye.